Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Srilekha. I'm an ophthalmologist working in Dubai. My subspecialty is in glaucoma. Let's get to the topic today. There are many types of glaucoma and they can broadly be classified as open angle and angle closure. Now, what is an angle? If you have seen my previous video, I mentioned that the aqueous humor, the transparent fluid in the front part of the eye, is produced and drained continuously. The area where the drainage occurs is called the angle of the anterior chamber. It is located between the cornea and the iris. The cornea is a transparent curved part at the front part of the eye, and the iris is a colored structure behind it. The central hole in the iris is called the pupil. The space between the cornea and the iris is filled with aqueous humor. The fluid comes from behind the iris, passes through the pupil, and then drains into the angle. The angle contains a drainage structure called the trabecular meshwork, which acts like a sponge. This is where majority of the fluid is drained. Now, why is the angle important? Any problem in the angle can cause an obstruction in the drainage of the aqueous humor. This leads to an increase in fluid inside the eye, which in turn raises the eye pressure. I have discussed why high eye pressure can cause glaucoma in my previous video. Now, how does the obstruction of the drainage happen? In angle closure glaucoma, the space between the iris and the cornea is narrow at the angle and in some cases completely closed. The narrow passage or the blockage obstructs the drainage, thus increasing the eye pressure. In open angle glaucoma, the space between the cornea and the iris is adequate at the angle. However, due to the structural problems or blockage at the trabecular meshwork by certain substances, the drainage is obstructed. We can view what is happening in the angle through a procedure called gonioscopy. This is an extremely important investigation in glaucoma management. Glaucoma is currently the leading cause of irreversible blindness worldwide. Blindness can be prevented with early diagnosis, and this is where glaucoma screening helps. If you have any risk factors for developing glaucoma, please get a glaucoma screening done. And don't forget your regular eye checkups with or without the risk factors. Glaucoma and other silent diseases can easily be diagnosed during these checkups. Thank you for your time.